Good morning, students, and welcome back to your science class. Today, we'll start with a new chapter that is Getting to Know Plants. In this chapter, we will know more about plants. If you go outside in a garden or a park, you can see various kinds of plants around you, isn't it? Some of the plants are very small, as you can see in the figure. Some may be of medium height, and some are very large, big trees. So you can see that there are various kinds of plants around you. There may be, and they may have various kinds of flowers. Some may have red flowers, some may have white flowers, some may not have flowers. So there are different kinds of plants about which we will study in this chapter. Okay, so let us start with the various kinds of plants. The first kind of plant is the herbs. You all have studied about these kinds of plants in your previous classes. So this is just a recapitulation of what you have already studied. Herbs. What are herbs? Plants with green and tender stems are called as herbs. Okay. Like for example, coriander. What is coriander? You all know coriander is dhania patta. Mint. What is mint? Mint is pudina. Spinach is palak. So have you all noticed the stem of all these plants? The stem of these plants are green in color and they are very, very tender. That means if you just try to pluck it with your hands, you will be very easily you will be able to pluck it. Okay. The next variety of plants are the shrubs. Now, what are shrubs? The shrubs are the plants which have hard stem but they are not very thick. For example, rose plant. You all have seen rose. You have seen lemon also. Tulsi, jasmine. Okay. Have you noticed the stem of these plants? The stem of these plants, they are not very thick. Okay. But they have got very hard stem. Their stems are not like the stems of the herbs. Okay. In herbs, the stems are green and very tender. Whereas in shrubs, the stem is thick and they are hard. Okay. So they are called as shrubs. And these are actually bushy plants. They are just like a bush. So they are bushy plants with hard stem. The next category of plants are the trees. You all have seen trees around you, isn't it? What are trees? Trees are very tall plants with hard, thick and brown stem. They are quite different from herbs and shrubs. Why? Because in herbs, the stem is green and tender. In shrubs, the stem is hard, but they are not very thick. But in trees, the stem is hard, they are very, very thick and they are brown in color. You all must have seen trees around yourself, isn't it? Neem trees, banyan trees, mango trees, they all are very, very big. And their stem is very hard and they have got brown colored stem. Okay. Then there are again another two kinds of plants which are quite different from these. That is, they are quite different from herbs, shrubs and trees. And how are they different? We will see. The fourth category is the climbers. What are climbers? Again, climbers are also plants with weak stem. Okay. But how are they different from the herbs? Herbs also, we said that the herbs have green stem and tender stem. Here climbers also have got very weak stem. But herbs, they are able to stand on their own. But that is not the case with climbers. Climbers, they need support and they also climb up. Okay. A very common example of climber is money plant. You all must have seen money plant. Money plant needs supports to go up, isn't it? In the same way, grapevine, pea plant, beans plant, they all take support and they just climb up on another you can say another tree or another plant. Okay. And then The final group of plants are the creepers. Okay, again, now creepers are also plants with weak stem that cannot stand upright. They cannot stand straight. Just like climbers, they also have got weak stem. They also cannot stand straight. Upright means they cannot stand upright. But what is the difference between climbers and creepers? Climbers climb up, whereas creepers, they spread on the ground. Okay, they spread on the ground means पूरे ground में फैल जाते हैं. That is why they are called as creepers. Okay, you must have seen pumpkin. Have you all seen pumpkin plant? The pumpkin plant, the watermelon plant. You all know that the pumpkin and watermelon are so huge in size. So these plants, they cannot go upwards. Why? Because the fruits are so big. Okay, so their stem is very, very weak. So what happens? These plants, they they spread on the ground. Okay, and that is why they are called as creepers. Okay, so I hope children the difference between climbers and creepers are clear to all of you. Climbers, they have also weak stem, but they climb up, whereas creepers also have got weak stem, but they spread on the ground. So these are the 5 kinds of plants. What are the 5 kinds of plants? The first one is herbs, which have got very tender stem. The second one is shrubs, which have got hard stem, but they are not very thick. Trees, you all know, are very tall plants with hard stem. Climbers have got weak stem, but they climb up and they need support. And creepers, they have also got weak stem, but they spread on the ground. I hope children this much is clear to all of you. Thank you.